Guys, we're at the old GE unit. I'm dismantling it because I'm finally changing it out. It'll be a 7.5 ton split carrier system here when it's all said and done. I'm taking her apart piece by piece and piling her up over here for the scrappers. Fun. I've raised in a line tap down there, as you can see, so that I can remove refrigerant. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to move on to disassembling every single piece of this and cutting it up. Here's our old pad where our condenser used to sit. It's gone now. Got to cut off those copper lines going inside because we're not going to use those again. Make a penetration up in this area here. Go through into the mechanical room. The old air handler is gone. There's our return ductwork going to the floor. There's our supply ductwork. There's our old duct heater feeds right there. They'll be eliminated. There'll be a 25 kW heater on top of this unit. Nice and clean in here now. Guys, we have our carrier system in place. Have a 25 kW heater on top. 7.5 ton air handler. Take off the front door, place it on the bottom so we can have return air from this side. We have a duct here. We're going to have to build some kind of blowout or box to bring air in off of that duct. And then we're going to have a outside air duct up here. A line set hole is down here because we have 1 1/8 and 1/2 inch line set instead of 1 3/8 and 1/2 inch. So things are going good. I'm putting together the metal fitting from the top, and I'll catch up with you guys once I've done. Guys, I finished my supply fitting. Brother started on the copper out there getting outside of the air handler. I'm going to make the box in the morning, but we're done for today. Off to do service calls. So, supply fitting done. Just need to seal it up and wrap it. We'll be well on our way tomorrow to hopefully having all the ductwork done, having all the pipe work done, and pulling a vacuum on the system so we can start it up on Friday. We have our carrier Gemini outdoor unit set, heat pump, 7.5 tons. We pipe things up. We have a pressure test put on it. This pressure test holds. We'll probably leave it on there till tomorrow when the electrician comes to finish the job. Everything's coming along pretty good. Our trash was taken away by the church elders, which was nice too. Means we didn't have to do that. I am busy constructing a box for the return piece by piece. I'm almost done. I got to put the top on it, and then we can get to the outside air, insulate the box, all that good stuff. We've converted the motor from 460 down to 233 phase, and we need to do some low voltage, and then we will be getting close to being finished. Guys, I finished building my box and wrapping it. I have my outside air duct run across over here, so I had to seal it up. Comes out to our cap here with the screen built into it. Low voltage is coming along. This is a power open, spring closed, fresh air damper. Some of our low voltage is finished. We changed our motor over to 233 phase because they come shipped for 460. So our filters down there. Line set. Ooh la la. We have a Honeywell Vision Pro on the inside. It's like my favorite stat. It's the standard definition one. It's not the high definition one because you really don't need that because the standard one's pretty cool. All on its own. Our supply fitting going up there to the old ductwork. Things are going really well. Guys, we have our unit running here. It's been running for probably about a half an hour or so. We're still charging it up. See, we have a good superheat. We have very little subcooling. Going by the equipment charging chart I have here, which just ensures we have some subcooling. We are still lacking charge a little bit. We're going to keep on charging it up. Definitely humid inside, so our target temperature split was lower. It's starting to climb back up a little bit. If you can see it down there at the bottom, 16.2. Our original target was 14, but we've humidified the air quite a bit.
all around the block.